Jai Swaminarayan friends. Here we continue the chapter quadratic equation. In this chapter we discuss the problem sum. Here we write two problem sum. First question, product of digit, sum of different sums. Product of digit of a two-digit number is 21. Product of digit of a two-digit number. Here we have suppose two-digit number. Any one. Suppose we write here 23. Right? Multiplication of this two digit is 6. Here in our question, multiply product of the digit of a two-digit number is 21. Right? Okay. If we add the 36 to the number, that means 23 add the 36. The new number obtained is a number obtained by interchanging the digit. Interchange, that is 23, interchange the digit is equal to 32. Clear? Explain here. Here 23 is the original number. If we add some number, answer will be interchange the number. Answer will be interchange the number. Suppose 23, here we add the 9. 23 plus 9, 32. Here, look here, interchange this two digit. Answer is 32. That's this type of sum. Okay? Here, now, one thing is, remember, here we apply. Most important thing is, you can suppose any two digit number. Any two digit number. Suppose we have 35, two digit number. Now interchange the digit. So the new number is 53. Right? Now sum of these two number. Sum of these two number. Answer is 88. This number, sum of these two number, that is always divisible by 11. Always. You can suppose any two digit number, any two digit number, and interchange the number, that sum of these two number is always divisible by 11. Right? Second thing. Subtract of these two number, 35 and 53. Now subtract bigger minus smaller. So 53 minus 35, 18. Right? That's this number is always divisible by 9. You can suppose any number, interchange the number and subtract by this two number. Subtraction is always divisible by 9 and sum of these two number, that is addition of this two number, is always divisible by 11. This is the rules. Again, next thing also apply. Look here. Here we suppose the 35. 35 is the two digit number, right? Here 5 is the unit digit. Look here. Here 5 is the unit digit. Our fifth standard rule. Fifth standard. 5 is the unit digit. So here multiply by 5. Okay. And 3 is the tens place. So 3 multiply by 10. So here 30. Then we add this number is 35. This is your original number. Right? Okay. Now here we suppose two digit number is xy. Two digit number is xy. Right? So here y is the unit place. So multiply by y. 1. X is the 10 place. So multiply by 10. So here 10x. Now sum of these two number is 10x plus y. Is it clear? 10x plus y. Right? Here place x equal to 3. So 10 3s are 30. Y equal to 5 plus 5. 30 plus 5. 35. This is our original number. Now interchange the number. Interchange the number is yx. Now x is the unit place. So x. Y is the 10 place. So multiply by 10. So here 10y. Now sum. So 10y plus x. This is your interchanging number. This is your interchanging number. Okay. Now subtract. Otherwise sum. Sum of these two number. Now sum of these two number is 10x plus y and 10y plus x. Right. So this one is 11x and this one say 11y. Now 11 is the common. Is it clear? So always divisible by 11. Remember here? Okay. Now subtract of these two number. Subtract 10x plus y minus 10y minus x. Anyone. You can. Here we do not suppose here this one bigger is and this one is smaller. So you can subtract any one number. 10x minus x, so 9x. 10y minus y, so 9y. Minus 9y. Now 9 is the common. Always divisible by 9. Is that clear? Okay. So this one is important to this two sum. Okay. Now we start this two sum. So first one. Let x be the unit digit. Let x be the unit digit. Right? Here our question is product of digit of a two-digit number is 21. Product of two digit of this 21. That means suppose our number is 37. Here we suppose, here our question is 3 into 7 equal to 21. Here 3 into 7 equal to 21. Right? Okay. Here we suppose this is your x. Let x be the unit digit. This is your unit digit. If we find here tens digit, so here multiplication, division. So 3 equal to 21 upon 7. You can write also. Right? Therefore, tens digit equal to 21 upon x. Is that clear? X be the unit digit, tens digit equal to 21 upon x. Multiply by these two number. Here product of digit of a two-digit number. Now this is your tens digit and this is your unit digit, and here tens digit. Multiply by this two. X into 21 upon x. X will be cancelled. Product is 21. Is that clear? Okay. Now our original number. Therefore, original number. This is your unit place. This is your 10 place. Unit place is multiplied by 1. 10 place is multiplied by 10. Okay. So here 21 upon x multiplied by 10 and x multiplied by 1. This is your original number. Now interchange the number. Interchanging new number. Interchanging new number. Now 10 places convert to unit place and unit place convert to 10 place. Now this is your 10 place. New number. Right? So x is multiplied by 10. And 21 upon x multiplied by 1. This is your interchanging new number. This is your original number. Now read your second sentence. If we add 36 to the original number, that is original number. Our original number is 21 upon x multiplied by 10. That is 210 upon x and plus x. Here if we add 36. If we add 36 to the original number, we give the new number. So the new number obtained is a number formed by interchanging the digit. So interchanging the digit is new number is 10x plus 21 upon x. This is your equation. Now simplify and convert to quadratic equation. Here upon 1 and upon 1. Okay. Here 2 1 of 10 upon x as it is. Here multiply by numerator and denominator x. X square upon x. Here 36 upon x. Okay. Here multiply by x. 10x square upon x. And here 21 upon x. Is that clear? Now in numerator, here denominator will be same. So here 2 110 plus x square plus 36x. And 10x square plus 21 upon x. So x will be cancelled. Clear? Okay. Now x square in right side. So 10 minus 1. So 9x square. Okay. Now 36 in right side. Minus 36x. Okay. 2 110 subtract 21. 210 minus 21. 210 minus 21. 10 minus 1. 20 minus 2. 80. Right? So minus 189 equal to 0. Is it clear? This is your quadratic equation. Now whole equation is divisible by 9. So x square minus 4x minus 9 2s are 9 1s are. Okay. Now this is your very simple quadratic equation. 7 3s are. So x minus 7 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 7, x equal to minus 3. Negative number x value is not possible because negative number is not possible. So x equal to 7 is our answer. Now original number is what? Our original number is 21 upon x into 10 plus x into 1. Right? Now put here 7. Here. Put here 7. So our original number 21 by 7 is 3. 3 into 10 and plus 7 into 1. 3 into 10, 30. 7 into 1, 7. So our final answer is 37. So our 2-digit number is 37. Is that clear? Okay. Second question. Same question. The product of digit of a 2-digit number is 8. Product of 2-digit number of a 2-digit number is 8. Same question. Let x be the unit digit. Therefore, tens digit is 8 upon x. Right? Because product of this 2 digit is 8. Now multiply by this 2 number is 8. Right? Okay. So x with the unit digit, tens digit is 8 upon x. So original number 8 upon x is the 10th place. So here 8 upon x and here x into 1. This is our original number. Is that clear? Okay. Now read the question. Some different from first. Look here. And the sum of the square of the digit. This is your 10th unit digit and this is your 10th digit. Read again. The sum of the square of the digit. That means sum of the square of the digit. Sum of the square of the digit is 20. This is your quadratic equation. Right? Okay. So here x square plus 64 upon x square equal to 20. Now first we cross the left side. So x raised to 4 plus 64 upon x square equal to 20. Now x square in multiplication. So x raised to 4 plus 64 equal to 20x square. X raised to 4 minus 20x square plus 64 equal to 0. Right? Very easy, factorize 16 fours are. So x square minus 16 and x square minus 4 equal to 0 because here highest power 4. Even power, that is quadratic equation. So give 0, negative number is not possible. So x square equal to 16, so x equal to 4. X square equal to 4, so x equal to 2. Clear? Now original number. First we place x equal to 4. Place here 4. X equal to 4. 8 upon 4, 2. 2 tens are 20 and 4 ones are 4. So first number is 24. Now place 2. 8 upon 2, 4. 4 tens are 40 and 2 ones are 2. So 42. Both of them correct answer. But read your last sentence. If the number is less than 25. So this number is more than 25 or greater than 25. So this one is not possible. So our final answer is, find the number, that is final answer is 24. Clear? Okay, do you understood? Okay, thank you very much.